Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new poem. The name of the poem is The Rebel. It is the second poem of literature book. The name of the poet is D.J. Enright. So, first of all, we will know the meaning of rebel. A rebel is a person or a character who does not follow the norms of the society. So, let's begin the poem. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. Now, in this line, in this stanza, the poet is trying to tell when the rebel sees a group of people with short hair who he allows his hair to grow long because he derives pleasure and satisfaction by going against the rule. However, he is not constant, and therefore, when he sees people growing their hair long, he would end up cutting his short. Now, when everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. Now, in contradictory, when he sees that people go, people are growing their hair long, he would end up cutting his short. So, the explanation of this paragraph is when the person sees the people growing group of a people going short with short hair, he would allow his hair to grow long, and when he sees a person or a people growing their hair long, he would end up cutting his hair short. So now second stanza is when everybody takes during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. Now, in second stanza, the poet is trying to tell that when everybody is talking during the lesson or during the lecture, the rebel remains silent. But when everybody is silent, he creates disturbance in the class. And when he says, and you can say, when he sees that everybody else has become quiet, the rebel constantly seeks attention by doing that what others don't do. So the motive of a rebel character is to seek attention by doing that what others not do don't do. Now, when everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes, and when everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. So, in stanza 3, the poet is trying to tell that when the rebel sees everybody wearing uniform, he wears a fantastic clothes, and when everybody wears a fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses in a common uniform. So, what is the motive? The motive of a rebel is to seek attention through doing those things which no one does. Now, in stanza 4, let us see stanza 4. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cat. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. In stanza 4, the poet is telling that when the rebel finds himself in the company of dog lovers, or you can say when the rebel finds himself between among those person who loves dog, he starts talking about cats. On the other hand, when he is surrounded by the persons who love cat, he talks about dogs. So he is always doing such things against the norms of the society. When someone is doing A, he wants to do B, and when someone is doing B, he wants to do A. So this is the character of rebel. Now, when everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain, and when everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. So in stanza 5, the poet is telling that even with respect to the weather, he when everybody is praising for the sun, the rebel the wants the cloud to rain. And when everybody is greeting the rain, and when everybody is wishing for rain, the rebel wants to rise the sun. And or you can say the rebel regrets the absence of sun. Now Stanja 6. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. And when everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. So in stanza 6, the poet is telling that when everybody attends the meeting, the rebel character, the person who has rebel character, stays at home and reads a book. And when everybody reads a book and stays at home, the rebel character goes to the meeting. Now, when everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. So in stanza 7, when stanza 7, the poet is telling that the rebel character says yes when everybody says no, and when everybody says no, the rebel character says yes. So this is the character of a rebel person. Now it is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. Now in last line, the poet is trying to say that it seems that having rebels around us is beneficial, as they train us to acknowledge difference. So they teach us the value of differences. If they oppose our norms, our rules, we learn many things from them. So however, it is not good to be a rebel. In last line, the poet is also trying to say, however, it is not a good idea to be a rebel, because they are not accepted by the society. So this is a wonderful poem. Now again I am summarizing the whole poem. Now look, in this poem, the rebel describes the character of a rebel. The meaning of rebel is a person who does not conform, or you can say who does not follows the norms of the society. Now how the rebel is described? The rebel is described as a person who would contradict other in order to be different. So what they do, they always do something different from the norms of society to seek the attention of the other people. The character of the rebel in the poem is not based on a political activist, but seems to be a character sketch of a young adolescent, now who is trying to be different. Now if a rebel, now in the first paragraph, the poet is telling that if a rebel sees a group of people having short hair, he would let his hair grow long. But when he sees the people with long hair, the rebel would cut short his hair. Now in second stanza, the poet is saying that when he sees everybody talking during the lesson, the rebel would remain silent. But when he sees that everybody is silent, he starts talking in the class, or you can say he starts creating disturbance. Now similarly, on various such issues, as when people is praising the sun, he wants rain. When everyone is greeting for the rain, the rebel wants, or the rebel regrets the absence of sun. When everybody goes to a meeting, he stays at home and read book. But when everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. When everybody answers in yes, he answers is in no. And when everybody answers is no, in no, he answers is in yes. In the last line, the poet is saying that it is not a good idea to be a rebel, because the society does not accept the rebel person, rebel character, or rebel attributes. So but it is also good because it teaches us a lot of differences and lot of perspective of one topic. So this was the expression of the poem. This is a very good poem. It will teach you, as you all students used to have the same, have some same character, same attributes, you can say. And it is not necessary that if I am agreeing on some topic, the other person will agree on the same topic. So it is, sometimes it is good and sometimes it is very bad, because the person, because the society does not accept this such things or such people. I think the poem is clear, the explanation is clear. If you have any doubt, go through the chapter and read the poem at once. And if you find any problem, just comment us on Google Classroom. Thank you and have a good day.